Before buying a Leatherman Multitool, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most people don't realize that a multi-tool's weakest point isn't the blade or the pliers. It's how well the tools actually lock into place when you need them most. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Gerber MP600 Needle Nose. Let's start with the Gerber MP600 Needle Nose Pliers Multi-Tool. This thing is built like a tank, 8 ounces of stainless steel with 14 tools packed inside. At $101, it's not the cheapest, but it's not trying to be. What caught my eye was the one-handed opening pliers and that SAF T+ locking system. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working in tight spaces, like under a sink or inside an engine bay, those needle nose pliers give you precision grip, and the locking mechanism means they won't slip when you're applying pressure. Plus, it comes with a sheath, which is great if you're carrying it on your belt during field work. Now, some people complained about the weight. And yeah, 8 ounces feels heavy in your pocket if you're used to lighter EDC tools. Here's the thing though, if you're doing real mechanical work or need serious leverage, that weight actually helps with control and durability. This isn't a pocket fidget toy, it's a tool for people who fix things. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic, electrician, or someone who needs a multi-tool that can handle daily abuse. Skip this one if you want something ultralight for casual carry. For the build quality and tool count, it's solid value at just over $100. Product number 2, Gerber Armbar Trade. Now, if the MP600's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Meet the Gerber Armbar Trade in burnt orange, a compact 8-in-1 multi-tool that weighs just 3.1 ounces. At $57, it's half the price and a third of the weight. What makes this special is the pry bar and hammer combo. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're camping, working on a construction site, or even dealing with emergency situations, having a small pry bar to pop open crates or a hammer to drive nails can be a game changer. The two-sided bit driver accepts standard bits, so you can customize it for your most common screws. The frame lock on the blade feels solid and the pocket clip is reversible, which is nice for lefties. Now some people complain that the pliers are missing. This isn't a full plier multi-tool, just a knife with extra tools. Here's the thing though, if you already carry pliers separately or don't need them daily, this gives you more utility in a smaller package. This is perfect for you if you want an EDC knife with extra functions but don't need full pliers. Skip this one if you rely on pliers for work. At under $60, it's a steal for what it offers. Product number 3, Leatherman Wingman. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday carry. The Leatherman Wingman, this is the only true Leatherman on this list, and it shows. Priced around $70.80, though not listed, it's consistent with market. It's got 14 tools, spring action pliers, and scissors that actually work. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The spring-loaded pliers snap open with one hand and cut through wire, zip ties, or packaging without straining your fingers. The locking blade means you can saw through rope or cardboard safely. And the removable pocket clip, that's huge for keeping it accessible without snagging. Leatherman's 25-year warranty also means they stand behind it, no questions asked. Now, some people complained about the lack of a bit driver. And yeah, if you're constantly swapping screwdriver bits, this might frustrate you. Here's the thing though, most people don't need a full bit set daily. For general tasks, opening packages, tightening screws, cutting wire, this covers 90% of what you'll actually use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, well-made multi-tool from a trusted brand. Skip this one if you need advanced bit compatibility. For build quality and ease of use, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4, Gerber Center Drive. Now, if the Wingman's lack of a bit driver was a deal breaker, this next one goes all in on precision. The Gerber Center Drive at $184 is the most expensive here, but it's also the most innovative. The center axis bit driver aligns like a real screwdriver, meaning you get maximum torque without slipping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working on electronics, furniture, or machinery where stripped screws are a nightmare, this design prevents cam out and gives you real control. It also includes a 12-piece bit set and a sheath, so you're ready for almost anything. The spring-loaded pliers deploy fast, and the 3.25-inch blade is legal in most places. Now, some people complained about the price. And honestly, $184 is steep for a multi-tool. Here's the thing though, if you're a tradesperson or DIYer who uses screwdrivers daily, this isn't just a tool, it's an upgrade to your workflow. This is perfect for you if you need professional-grade torque and precision. Skip this one if you're on a budget or only need occasional use. It's pricey, but for the right person, it's worth every penny. Product number 5, Gerber Splice. Finally, if you want something ultralight and cheap, the Gerber Splice at $27.51 is hard to beat. Weighing just 2.4 ounces, it's basically a keychain multi-tool with real function. It has spring-loaded scissors, dual blades, 3 screwdrivers, and a bottle opener, all in a 2.4-inch closed length. The scissors are surprisingly strong for the size, and the fine-edge blade is great for opening mail or cutting tape. Now, some people complain that the pliers are weak, and they're right. These aren't for gripping or cutting wire. Here's the thing though, if you don't need heavy-duty pliers, this gives you real utility in a tiny package. This is perfect for you if you want a backup or travel multi-tool. Skip this one if you need to cut wire or grip hard materials. At under $30, it's an easy add to your EDC rotation. So which one should you get? The Gerber MP600 if you need heavy-duty pliers, the armbar trade if you want a compact knife with pry bar and hammer, the Leatherman Wingman for the best balance of quality and everyday use, the center drive if you need maximum screwdriver torque, and the splice if you want something light and cheap. Each one solves a different problem, so pick the one that matches your real needs, not the shiny ads.